Hi, my name is Syed. I go to the Brooklyn Latin School, and in my first few days at Blue Stamp, I built the IR-Vision Rover robot kit, and basically it has the ability to turn around objects that are in its path of motion. And I learned a lot about transistors and capacitors and converter boards. Also, I learned about the receivers and relays, and some problems that I had with it was that the polarity of the diodes have to be oriented correctly, and also the soldering has to be complete, because if there are like some holes in there, then the electrons won't flow cleanly. And since this converter board isn't really integrated into the plastic, it's sort of on the outside, the copper, you have to be very careful with the heating. So this is the IR-Vision Rover robot kit, and when it's working normally and it's moving, these resistors right here, and these are transistors right here, and these capacitors together, they allow the electrical flow to reach these engines and these LEDs, and basically it just allows it to move forward. And however, when you put a massive object in front of the rover, what happens is that the infrared emitted reflects back into this receiver, and as the infrared goes up, the resistance goes down, and what happens is that it allows the electrical flow to reach this diode, lighting it up, and this transistor, allowing which basically turns it on, and it switches the electrical signal to reach this relay, and the relay basically reverses the electrical flow to the direction of it, and it starts spinning in the opposite direction, and it completely cuts off the electrical flow to this engine. And basically what happens is that it spins about this point of axis. So what happens is like that when it approaches a massive object, and once there is no massive object in its way anymore, it'll basically continue its path of motion. So a demonstration is here. And my next project will be a MADbot, which basically goes towards areas of light.